I have seen a lot of comments about the same AI problems. Your AI avatar looks fake, your characters won't stay consistent, your videos stop at 5 seconds, and the hands, yeah, they're a whole disaster. So today, I'm giving you the quick versions of the real fixes, the ones that finally make your AI look clean and consistent. And stay to the end. I'm showing you a bonus trick that makes your AI avatar's hand gestures look way more natural. Let's fix your AI. Let's start with the big one, fake-looking AI avatars. If your avatar looks shiny, plastic, stiff, or just off, it's not you. It's the lighting in the lens of your prompt. To get consistent characters and what you really want, you're going to come over to Google Gemini, and you can use Nano Banana if you like. It still works regardless if you have it on. There is a certain prompt structure that you want to use. So when you're creating your prompt, you want to put hyper-realistic portrait, natural soft lighting, 35mm portrait lens. You can copy this and use it for your character to bring them to life if you like. And you want to add in negative prompts like no deformed hands, no wax texture, no doll-like features, or harsh shadows. Not adding the negative prompt is usually what the problem is, because your generator will do what it wants. When writing a prompt, add soft diffuse lighting, natural window light, golden hour glow, gentle rim light. Those are the things you'll want to add into your prompt. As you can see, I copied the prompt and the negative part, and I put in the description of what I want my character or my AI avatar to look like. My goodness, she's gorgeous. Okay, so if you take the image and zoom in, you can see the texture of her skin, her lip outline, her lashes. You can see it all, her eyebrows, the hair, her curly coils. So it really defines when you use those techniques. The hands aren't even deformed. She looks real. Inside my community, I break down the full realism workflow, lighting setups, lens matching, angles, and all the settings to fit right for your prompt. But this is the fast version you can use today. Next problem, your characters don't stay consistent. One picture looks one way, the next looks completely different. And that's because your prompting isn't staying the same either. Why your character won't stay consistent are a couple of these things: the change in the descriptors, switching lenses, pose isn't matched. So that's usually the problem. I'm going to take the image I already created and use Nano Banana. That's usually how I keep my character consistent. So I told them to give her red lipstick. Now show her in a beautiful gown, and she's taking a picture with her phone. Nano Banana is probably your best bet on how to get your character extremely consistent. As you can see, even zooming in, she still looks good. Now, you do see that it's blurry and the little watermark down at the bottom. So take it over to Canva, go to the bottom, and click on Magic Studio. Then it will say Magic Eraser. This is how you're going to erase the watermark. Now, after that's done, it will be gone. Now you want to make your resolution a bit more better. So you're going to go to the bottom, click Apps, and then you're going to slide over and click Image Upscaler. Now you're going to click on either 2x or 4x. You can click 8, but I usually go to 4, and then I'm going to upscale it. Now your image won't be so blurry. It even shows you the difference. Then you click Replace, and now your image is done, and you can download her. Now there's no blur and no watermark. Inside my community, I teach the full consistency workflow step by step, but here's the fast version so you can finally get the same character in every scene. And the third problem, your videos keep stopping at 5 to 8 seconds. Every clip feels short, stiff, and way too limited. Meta AI is what I used in my last video to show you how to do this. Meta AI allows you to extend your videos. Now, once you're here, as you can see, I even made my motion graphics on here and my images. You can make images and videos, and you can decide the ratio. The best part, it's free. I usually try to keep every tool I use free or free credits so that you can create them too. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it. You can even upload an image or a video. Also, I find that Meta AI makes your character look extremely realistic. So upload your image and then paste in your moving prompt to make your avatar move. This is what you'll get. Not bad for free. So I'm going to take this video here and I'm going to show you how you can extend it. You just go down, click on extend, and you can extend it as long as you want. After you're done, use sync.so to lip sync. It's pricey, but it has great quality. It matches the lips to the voiceover so good. I have showed you in the last video how to use this, so if you do want to know, just go to the last video. But the best part about this one is that you can lip sync up to 30 minutes. You just create a project, upload your video, and then you upload your voiceover, click generate, and done. Inside my community, I teach the full long-form animation workflow step by step. But this fast version will help you break out of that 5-second limit. All right, let me show you what the inside of my community actually looks like, because this is where everything starts coming together. In here, I give you full step-by-step workflows, not just the quick fixes you're getting in this video. You get all my AI avatar prompts, consistency templates, video animation frameworks, and the exact settings I use for realistic faces, hands, lip syncing, VO3, open art design, everything. Each lesson is broken down so you can follow it on your phone, even if you're brand new to AI. And I update the community consistently with new prompts, new characters, new workflows, and new tools whenever things change. And every month, I run the AI Creator Spotlight, where I feature one member's channel who's been active inside the community. I highlight them on my YouTube channel and my socials. This is our last month's AI Creator Spotlight winner. She was actively growing her channel, but she couldn't pass the 1,000 subscriber mark. That's where AI Creator Spotlight came in. She passed 1,000 subs in the one day that she was featured, and it's still growing. I keep you tagged in the videos for life too. I also do fun giveaways for members who are actually learning and creating. It keeps everything exciting while you level up. You can ask questions, get feedback, share your work, and be around people who are learning the same stuff as you. It's not just tutorials, it's support. I also do private one-on-one help inside the community for people who need personalized direction with their avatars, their channel, and their AI workflows. So if you want deeper training, templates, prompts, support, and actual guidance, this is the place where I can help you properly. You made it to the bonus trick, because a lot of you keep getting the same hand movements in every clip, or your hands come out distorted. This trick is to give the AI option inside your prompt. Instead of one gesture, list 3 possible gestures. For example, hands resting on table, gentle hand lift, soft wrist turn, relaxed finger taps. When you give it multiple choices, it rotates through them, so every clip feels different without breaking your character and keeping your AI avatar natural. And to stop distortion, always add negative prompts like no warped fingers, no broken hands, no melted shapes, no extra fingers. This removes 90% of the hand glitches instantly. Use this combo, gesture variation, negative prompts, and your avatar will finally have clean, natural hand movements in every scene. If you want the full workflows, the prompts, the templates, the consistency systems, the animation guides, and the one-on-one help, all of that is inside my community. It's where I teach everything step by step so you're not figuring it out alone. The link is in the pinned comment if you want to join us. I'll see you inside.